Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to download Claude AI in 2026. Whether you are a writer, a researcher, or a developer, Anthropic has released dedicated versions for every platform this year, so let's get right into the download guide for March 2026. First, you should grab the desktop app if you want to use the powerful new computer use features. Head over to claude.ai/download to get the official installer .exe for Windows 10 or 11, or .dmg for macOS. In 2026, the desktop version is the only way to let Claude securely interact with other apps on your screen, making it much more than just a chat window. Next, you can take your assistant on the go with the mobile app for iOS and Android. Just search for Claude by Anthropic in the Apple App Store or Claude in the Google Play Store. The 2026 mobile app is optimized for voice chat and real-time photo analysis, so you can snap a picture of a complex diagram or a broken appliance and get an instant explanation while you are away from your desk. Then, for the developers watching, you need to install Claude Code, CLI. This is a terminal-native tool that can autonomously edit files and run commands. To install it on macOS or Linux, simply run the curl command, curl fsslhttps://claude.ai/bash. If you are on Windows, open PowerShell as an administrator and run irm https://claude.ai/ix. Once that is done, you can start refactoring entire codebases directly from your command line. Finally, if you prefer to stay in your browser but want a dedicated experience, you should install Claude as a PWA, progressive web app. Open Claude.ai in Chrome or Edge, and look for the install icon on the right side of the address bar. If you don't see it, just go to Settings, Save and Share. Install Page as App. This gives you a clean, standalone window for Claude on your taskbar or dock without the clutter of browser tabs. And that is it. You now have Claude installed and ready to go on all you.